Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shillong. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
The National Academy of Agricultural Sciences Regional Chapter Umiam Meghalaya, in collaboration with the International Union of Organic Agriculture Shillong, the College of Agriculture kyrdemkulai Meghalaya, and the ICAR-RCNEHR Umiam, NECTAR Shillong, NABARD Shillong, CPGS-AS Umiam, NESAC Umiam, ICAR-NRC PIC Guwahati, and NEC Shillong had organized a 3-day international conference on the 7th of December 2021 on the topic Integrated Agriculture, Natural Farming, Biodiversity Conservation and Rural Bio-Entrepreneurship under Changing Climate Scenario. Those present during the inaugural function included the chief guest on the occasion, Director General ICAR and Secretary DARE Government of India, Dr. Trilochan Mahapatra, former Vice Chancellor AAU Jorhat, Dr. M. Premjit Singh, scientists and research scholars. A performance by students of Nongstoin College formed part of the program.